Have you ever wondered how Monstera gets those stunning split leaves? In the wild, Monstera plants climb up tree trunks and along branches, using thick aerial roots to hold on. These roots not only anchor the plant, they also help absorb water and nutrients straight from the air and bark. The most popular indoor variety, Monstera deliciosa, often called the Swiss cheese plant, hurricane plant, fruit salad plant, or window leaf. It's easy to see why. As the plant matures, its glossy green leaves grow larger, up to 45 centimeters across, with deep incisions and natural holes that look like they've been carefully cut by hand. These holes actually help the plant survive in tropical storms, nature's own wind resistance design. Young Monsteras, however, don't have those dramatic cuts yet. Their leaves start off whole and heart-shaped. Over time, the splits and holes slowly appear as they grow, a sign your plant is happy and maturing. You might also come across the variegated Monstera, with creamy white splashes on its leaves. These are highly prized and just as easy to grow with the right care. And if you're lucky enough to see a Monstera flower indoors, it's a creamy white spade surrounding a thick spadix that can eventually produce a sweet, pineapple-like fruit. Rare, but beautiful. Whether you've got a small plant with just a few leaves, or a towering 3-meter Monstera climbing a moss pole in your living room, they always make a statement. Caring for your Monstera deliciosa. Light, bright, filtered light is best. In winter, some gentle morning sun is okay. If the leaves start stretching or getting smaller, it's likely too dark. Temperature and humidity. They love normal indoor temperatures, but thrive in slightly higher humidity, especially above 21 degrees Celsius. You can boost humidity with a pebble tray under the pot. Watering. Keep the soil just barely moist. Let the top third dry out before watering again. Overwatering is the biggest mistake. Feeding. Use a liquid fertilizer every 2 weeks during the growing season, usually spring and summer. Potting and repotting. Use a soil-based mix with about 1/3 coarse leaf mold. Repot once a year in spring until it reaches a large enough pot. After that, just refresh the top layer of soil each year. Propagation. Not the easiest to propagate, but tip cuttings with 2 leaves can root if done in spring, in a mix of peat moss and sand, inside a plastic bag. Or try air layering, slower but more reliable. Extra tips. Keep the leaves clean by wiping with a damp sponge. Guide aerial roots onto a moss pole, or back into the soil. The more established your Monstera becomes, the more dramatic and beautiful its leaves will grow. Thanks for watching. If you love growing bold, tropical plants indoors, don't forget to like, follow, and grow along with us.